Hey everyone, my name is Haley and this is the House for Hosting, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick and easy recipe that is going to be perfect for the fall and going into the winter. And I want to share it with you because it is one of our family's favorites, and for me, I love it because it's easy and it tastes good, and it's something that my kids thoroughly enjoy. I love soups and it's definitely becoming soup weather. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe for homemade potato soup. Now, before we even get started, I will go ahead and let you know that you can find the full recipe to this soup in the description of this video. So if you want to head on down to that and take a screenshot of it or just save it, you can. That way you can refer back to this later when you're making this soup. But like I said, this is the easiest soup. So you're going to start out with about 6 to 7. It just really depends on the size and how big of a portion of soup you're trying to make. But I like to use russet potatoes, and I wash them, peel them, and chop them to about bite-sized portions. And then I add it to a big pot and fill it with water, just slightly covering the potatoes, and let those boil. Now, while the potatoes are boiling, you're going to want to saute an onion, and you can do any type of onion that you like. I like sweet onions, but you just want to chop it up, drizzle some olive oil in a skillet, and let those cook. The ingredients in your soup are going to be cream of mushroom, cream cheese, garlic salt, parsley, minced garlic, and then I add a little bit of heavy whipping cream just to help with the condensity. What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Y'all know, words are hard. Anyways, heavy whipping cream, add that in there. You can't go wrong. Or if you don't have that, you could do a little bit of milk as well. So now that we have the potatoes boiling, I'm just going to go through and kind of gently stir them and watch it. The texture that we're looking for here is almost mashed potatoes, but not completely. You still want to have some solid pieces through your soup because we're not creating mashed potatoes, we're creating potato soup, people. So very easy, just kind of watch it. It's a fine line, like I said, between mashed potatoes and potato soup. But just kind of stir it and watch it. It's not that hard. And just, you can stop boiling whenever you prefer. I like ours a little bit softer, just like you see here. Next, you're going to add in the remaining ingredients for the soup. I did add a little bit of water. This is one of those things where you're going to just watch it and go by how thick you want your soup. If you want it thicker, you don't have to add the water. If you want it a little bit thinner, add a little bit of water. That's not a necessity. It's just going to be based on how many potatoes that you cooked and how long you cooked them. But you want to go ahead and add your liquids like your heavy whipping cream or your milk and your cream cheese and your cream of mushroom, and you're going to mix that really well. This is where you're going to start noticing that it's finally getting that really creamy texture and consistency, and it's really starting to come together and look like a good potato soup. Once you've reached that, you're going to go ahead and add in your seasonings. Y'all know me, I love garlic. We put it in everything in my house. So of course I add minced garlic and garlic salt. I'm out of garlic powder, or that would be up in there too. But if you don't like garlic, you can omit that. You can add pepper or paprika or anything that you would prefer. It's your food, you're going to eat it, so make it how you like it. We don't have to have a science here. And then I always like to add in some parsley because it gives just a little bit of good flavor too, and it also kind of, I don't know, makes it look like a little decoration on top. I don't know. Anyways, I just do what I do around here. So I hope that y'all will do the same and just make it taste how you want it to taste. Like I've said before, this is the easiest potato soup recipe and you cannot mess this up. So definitely give it a try. and anytime we do potato soup, we have to have cornbread too. So my daughter decided to make the corn muffins, and she is really good at that. So I gave her that chore. She mixed that up, and we use Jiffy Mix, y'all. And so don't hate me for that. Don't come for me for that, but we do that. However, we do add almond milk instead of regular milk, and I have found that it makes and tastes a little bit sweeter. So if you do Jiffy Mix as well, maybe try substituting your regular milk with almond milk next time and kind of see what you think. To top the soup, we always do some sprinkled cheese or shredded cheese and then green onion. You could do sour cream, whatever. You could do bacon bits, anything. But all in all, I hope that y'all will try this recipe. Again, it is so easy and so good. Please leave me a note in the comments if you tried it and if you liked it. And if you would love to, please join our community and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thank y'all so much for being here. Bye, guys.